Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. As you can see, I already got into my newest gel polish colors. This is from Lagunamoon, and it's at Lagunamoon.com. I do have a code NOI17 to save you 17%. This is one of their glitter colors. It does have a name, I'll put it on the screen. It's also number GC078. And it's top coated with their top coat, their no wipe top coat. It's a little bit of a thicker formula top coat. And remember, when you're doing gel polish, you want to clean your nail. I'm not going to do this nail. Alcohol pad, your alcohol, spray it on, wipe it off. If you need to, mix a little acetone in there. If your nail beds are oily, apply your base coat, which I already have done, and cure it. I'm going to swatch these colors out. I have a cool collection called Funny Pumpkin. This is how it comes. I've already popped them up a little bit, so use a little tool such as a cuticle tool to just pop them out so you don't break a nail. And underneath this were more directions. It has a great directions on the side. Let me get these out and we'll just swatch and do some nail art. I will post the timestamp on the screen and down in the description if you want to skip ahead to the nail art. I just need to see the colors ahead of time so that I know what I'm doing. I'm going to try some abstract Halloween nail art. And this is MC013. These can be found on their shop under their hot value sale. I'll put down in the description exactly how to get to it. I assume this is from also a macaroon gel polish collection. I'm not sure because some of them are classic. I had another video of their classic collection from Amazon. I'll link it up above. So this is MC013. Going on nice and smooth. I turn my brush over so that if I was doing near my cuticles, I could just pillow it up near my cuticles. Goes on lovely. This is number MC003. It's another type of orange with a little more red. We'll just cheat on this one. Looks like you could get by with one coat, but if you're going to wear it, I would suggest 2 coats. This is CL087. I believe CL would be for classic. And the MC, I would assign for the macaroon. This is only my second collection with them. My first one was from the classic series as well. And this was, I believe this set is called Funny Pumpkin. And of course, if you're going to wear them, you would want to put 2 coats on for protection. I had my brush. If you put your brush like this on gel, you'll wipe it off. You want to try to do it parallel. I'm trying my hardest to remember that. Especially on camera, it's just really hard to remember. And this is CL92. There's 2 darker colors with this collection as well. I'm just going to cheat here and go this way. And gel polish, you do want to apply it thin. Especially your darkers and your oranges colors. Those tend to be the most mischievous. So this is their CL117. They're black. I'm seeing it right now. If you have problems with it wrinkling, don't feel bad. Go ahead and just apply it really thin. So the first 5 colors, in the picture it kind of looked black, CL153, but here it's got some variations. It also says classic on the front. Look at that. Look, it's a purple with glitter. Perfect for Halloween. Perfect. This one will need 2 coats, unless I get it on perfect. Okay, I'm gonna give these all a cure in my lamp and come back and show you the top coat. Okay, I decided to give each one a second coat. I cured in between each coat. These were in the order that I swatched them all. Just getting out some simple dotting tools, brushes. Got a little palette here. This I can just put in the lamp afterwards, cure it, pop it off, no problem. I'm just going to play with this, see what I can come up with. So this is, let's see, now I want to use the more true orange first. So in between, just wipe off your brush. You can run a little clear gel through it at the end if you'd like. I just run it off on a makeup sponge until I get going. I'm just going to draw a little line or two. Everybody I know has been doing a lot of freehand, so I want to try some freehand. And abstract is basically the best kind of freehand you can do if you got the shakes, because there's no rules, right? And I have my whole hand on the table. This hand's on the table and I'm looking at it and I'm just popping on my colors. And if you have problems with it running or anything, just cure it. It doesn't seem to be moving. If it does, I'll just pop my hand in the lamp. I'm just going to try to, all my friends tell me to pull it through and make the brush do most of your work for you. So this is what I'm trying. And if you need to with gel polish, you can just get out a brush and clean up your line a little bit. I'm not going to worry about that. See, every other nail I'm going to do that line on. And even holding my finger with my thumb, because this one's extra shaky. If there can be such a thing as extra shaky, I swear I don't take a lot of caffeine. I've stopped guzzling down the sodas. Pop, wherever you're from, depending what you call it. Decaffeination beverages. And I'm just going to put these in the nail lamp for about 5 seconds so that I don't mess them up. And when I get done with all my colors, I will wipe this off with a lip-free wipe, run some clear gel through it, and store it someplace. This abstract nail art, I'm going to try using the 2 yellows I think now along here. Maybe I'll just do 1 yellow on this hand because it's, and I've noticed with gel polish, if you make dots, you can't really flash cure most of them. You need to go ahead and just cure it. And wipe it off if you're going to switch colors or anything. So let me try to get these dots on here. I'm going to use some of this color in here. And being abstract, well, there's no rules, right? It's art anyway, so there's really no rules. Do what you feel like doing. Like I always say at the end of my videos, you be you and I'll be me. And that's what we're doing here. We're just being ourselves. Yeah, there's probably people that will poke at it on Instagram and say, oh, that dot's not perfect, that line's not perfect. Whatever, people. I don't like that one myself. I'm just taking an alcohol wipe and wiping it off, not re-wiping it onto my skin. Tempted to use a little bit bigger dot. Switching colors in between, just for variety's sake. It's abstract after all. There's no rules at all, so why not? And it's really hard for some people to comprehend abstract. I have a hard time with it. You know, nothing too symmetrical. Bah humbug. I can't do it all the time. I'm gonna give these a full cure. Okay, now I'm gonna use that purple color, the 153. I'm gonna attempt, I believe, to just make some like abstracty looking flowers. I'm not putting very much on at all, not at all. I'm gonna do the 3 dots on this side. Taking a chance that I'm really gonna like it. We'll see. I'm gonna find my little brush. I'm just going to make them into knot dots. Just pull them kind of together like an abstract flower, I guess you could call it. I'm really amazed at those ladies that can take the dots and turn them into these gorgeous flowers. We're not going for perfection today. We're going for abstract. I wipe my brush off. I'm gonna brave it and do a few swipes of black. Again, all the pictures will be at the end of the video. I'm going to show you how the top coat looks as well, because it is a little bit different than the other ones I've shown before. Wiping my brush off. You could give them a cure now. Maybe I'll just give them a little flash cure. Okay, now I want to use more of this color, like the little flowers centerpiece. I don't want to get it on my skin. I need to get one of those clips to hold my skin back because I have really deep sidewalls and I end up getting gel on my skin. I need to stop that. I've ordered and I can't get all my clips to come in. They're either too hard or too light. Just put a little on there. Let me give this a full cure, come back and show you what the top coat looks like because it's a little different than what I've shown before. Okay, we're all cured up. You still don't want to be touching your gel. Their top coat. This is a thicker top coat. When I was doing this hand, I got to staring at the glitters, and after I top coated it, and I realized, uh-oh, I didn't cure it. So it's a little wonky just because I didn't cure it right away. I was staring at it. I believe I touched this one a little bit, but I'm gonna leave these on and hopefully give a wear test. Lagunamoon, I'd like to mention a few things about Lagunamoon. They actually believe in the beauty from within, and there's a lot of wonderful things that they mention in their mission statement. I'm gonna try to copy a lot of it down below and let you have a look at that as well. They don't believe that women are perfect. From what it sounds like, the moon part is about the women having curves, and I really enjoy that part of their mission statement. They actually explain what Laguana Moon stands for. Laguna is basically a lagoon. And this top coat, see how thick and luxurious it is? Some people like a thin top coat, sometimes a thick top coat. If you're using glitters or you're doing something like this, you're going to want it to be a little bit thicker. So that's where this comes in great and handy. Hold down my sidewall so I don't get it on my skin. And see, like, my nails are actually kind of long. I don't know if you notice, sometimes I'm putting the top coat, if I remember, or if I'm painting, I'll put on the edge first, dip into my bottle, get a little bit more, and then go back in and get it close to my skin. Oops. You get it on your skin, you want to remove that right away. A brush dipped in alcohol is your best friend when you're working with gel polish. You just take that right off. And then I'll give this a cure. Okay, and that's how they're top coated in. It's definitely a no wipe top coat. I'm not feeling any stickiness. I don't hardly even feel any of my little bumps. Where I got a little aggressive, I feel a couple of these ones, but it feels nice. It's kind of cool. You could probably like make braille nails or something with that. So stay tuned for the pictures again at the end of the video. Have a great day, everyone. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much. This is like a real funky abstract look. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you all for being here with me. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.